The India-USA trade deal. Was there a deadlock a few days ago? But in the next 2 days, there could be an interim trade deal signed. America-India negotiations are in the final stages. Indian officials are currently in the USA. But remember, Indian officials are demanding greater access for labor-intensive industries. Indian officials have told the USA, according to our sources, India cannot open agriculture and dairy sectors completely. This is what America has been aiming for. Remember, agriculture and dairy are of prime significance when it comes to our agricultural life, economy and the farmers. India does not want to blink to the Trump arm twisting, but there is clearly pressure from the Trump administration as well. I want to immediately bring in Aishwarya Paliwal on this. Aishwarya, because we know that it appeared to be a big, beautiful, bold bill that, or the deal that Trump was referring to, but agriculture and dairy remain the deadlock even now. Why are we possibly saying that 2 days is when the interim deal could be signed?
Well, let me tell you, the final negotiations are on, and also the deadline, the July 9 deadline, when the reciprocal tariffs will take place. That's also something, Pooja, that India very keenly is looking at. We are seeing the way in which United States has been dealing with China, with Japan, but also how it has been dealing with India. Let me tell you, one thing is very, very clear. Both US as well as Indian officials, what they really want at the end of the day is for this deal to go through. From what we understand, initially, the talks went on for almost 48 hours, but after that, both the sides felt that the negotiations need to carry on in the next 22 days. That is 48 hours, Pooja. That's very, very crucial. We could see a clincher coming in from the United States of America with regards to India. We will see a deal, and we will also see India maybe just, budging a little bit and giving limited access, dairy products, agriculture. That's something that India very keenly is looking at. Given our economy's dependence on dairy products, on agriculture, and also the emotional sentiment that India has with these products, that's the reason why we are seeing a little bit of a shift in stance. Limited access, something, Pooja, that we are understanding could be given by the Indian authorities to United States of America.
Aishwarya, tell us how precisely India is going to ensure that the deal is signed and that it should help India, it should benefit our domestic interests and not just that of the Trump administration.
Interestingly, let me tell you, before 2nd of April, the mere taxes that were being levied were anywhere between 3 to 4%, but that now has been risen to 26%, which means things are about to get more expensive. So that's something that India very keenly is looking at. And let me tell you, the chief negotiator, Rajesh Agrawal, who went there only for 2 days, has been staying in Washington, D.C. over the past 1 week, which tells you that the negotiations are still on both the sides, United States of America as well as India. They are both now looking at making sure that some kind of middle path can be given out. They're also telling US that these kind of tariffs and levies will actually harm India. Our domestic consumption will get hampered, because you also need to understand, Pooja, India at the moment is also looking at coming into the 3 top economies of the world. So that's also something that the government needs to balance on, and that's the reason why agriculture and dairy is something that the government really does not want to touch upon. But that's the only thing that United States also has been speaking about over the past many days. From what we are understanding, a middle path at the moment is being worked upon. The next 48 hours very, very crucial for India-US deal. Pooja.
And remember, India has budged. Remember, on the Harley-Davidson vehicle sales, it did take a step back. But on dairy and agriculture, India will have to be very cautious before permitting America and its administration to completely come in. Thank you very much, Aishwarya. We'll be tracking that.